Welcome back to the MakeForms tutorial series. In this video, we'll explore the location field. The location field lets your users search for a place and select it. Behind the scenes, the field uses Google Maps API to fetch accurate place data and store it directly in your form responses. This is great for office addresses, delivery locations, or service visits. To begin, add a location field to your form. Let's start with the basic settings. At the top, you'll see the required field toggle. Turn this on if the user must select a location before they can submit the form. If they skip it, the form will show an error and block submission. Below that, you'll find helper text. This is a short hint shown beside or below the field. You can write something like, "Search for your location" to guide the user. Under placement, you can either show it as a small info icon that opens a tooltip when the user hovers on it, or display the text directly under the field so it's always visible and easier to read. To make the location field work with Google Maps, you need to add your Google Maps API key. You can get this key from the Google Cloud Platform. Once you have it, paste it into the API key box in the location field settings. After that, you'll see the section where you can choose which location details you want MakeForms to save from Google. MakeForms gives you full control over what gets stored, from basic place information to more advanced map data. You can also enable all Google Maps data, which saves the complete response returned by Google. Once the form is published, the location field works as an interactive search bar. Users just start typing a place name, and accurate Google Maps suggestions appear instantly, making it easy to pick the exact location. In the Responses section, the saved location data appears clearly. The entry includes the formatted address, place name, Google Place ID, a direct maps link, and latitude-longitude values. This is how the location field works in MakeForms. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.